Hi, today I want to introduce my super graphic design, and this is table of content and shows each step for my design, and this is the activity 1 research scene, and you can see the stylescape for my design, and I choose 2 stylescape. One style is cartoon style, one style is a realistic style. I want to consider which one is better for my final design. And this is concept sketch, and I want to compare the earth to the eyeball and the eye socket to the galaxy and the tears of the earth to the ocean. I want to draw some marine creatures into the tears so that people can understand the importance of the protecting the earth and the ocean. The fourth idea is from the trees. I would like to compare the trees to the people. When people cut down branches and the trunk of the trees have their own emotion just like people. I want to express that people should cut down fewer trees to bring clean air to the earth. The second concept sketch. The idea of the first hourglasses inspired me because I think the top part of the hourglasses is the forest, which the soil dissolves into the desert below, thus forming a contrast. What I want to express is that if people keep cutting down trees, the earth will become a dry desert. The second idea is about plastic bottles. The reason for my design is that I compare the ocean to water in plastic bottles, and people continue to throw the garbage into the ocean, which damages the ocean. I want people to reflect on their own behavior through the design. And the fifth idea comes from the plastic bag. My design is to reduce the use of the plastic bag and bring a fresh and nature life living environment to the earth. The sixth idea is also the original intention of the people to protect the environment. The difference is that I compare the earth to the light bulb, which is transparent. I want people to see a good side of the protecting the environment and pay more attention to the importance of the environment. The seventh idea is inspired by humans' hand. I want to compare people's prompts to the paddy flat. Secondly, I add element of the earth to make people remember that earth is a planet that gives birth to our lives and we should protect it. And I also write slogan in here. And the last idea is from the earth. I planted the earth half because I want people to see the benefit of the planting trees, which can protect the environment and bring people a fresh and nature life. And the part 2 concept design, and this is my refined sketch. With the refined sketch, I select 2 designs that I thought were the best and added a color and slogan to them. As for the plastic bottle design, I placed it horizontally because the wall I was going to place it on could not easily be placed vertically. So I thought it would be better to place it horizontally. And I also write a slogan like, give our ocean a chance to breathe, give marine animals a place to breathe. And this is another refined sketch. This is a refined sketch about the one with the earth. I remove the other stuff and place a reusable bag. I think the world will change like this. And I write slogan, give our earth a better life, to make people remind that we should protect the earth and use a reusable bag to give our earth a better life. And part 3 is the design development. And The first step, I choose this as my water bottle image. Then I use the layer marking to delete and other area of the water bottle on the image. And the second step, this is the item that I found on the internet. These are according to my refined sketch, and use the layer marking to delete other area of this image and put it water bottle layer and make the items rotate a little bit to create a movement feeling. I use the clone stamp to delete the other part of the C layer. And this is the first work of design development because the bottle density are a bit low, so I will change the bottle layer density a little bit later. This is I change the density of the bottle layer, but after this my tutor found the water bottle layers color are a bit loose, so I put the water bottle layer to the place that up on the C layer. And this is the part for final designs. This is my final design, and you can see more clear, and I write my slogan, but I change some word for that, right? Give our oceans a chance to rest, give marine animals a place to breathe. I think it would be better than before. And for the reflection step, so the question asked is, how do you believe your super graphic would influence social change? So I think I designed my super graphic because first of all, I from the internet and I found a plastic bottle of the water on behalf of the sea. At the same time, I add some rubbish such as canned sea trash bag and apple nuclear to indicate when people use of drink water pollution environment, people can also be polluted the water in the bottle. At the same time, also on behalf of the meaning of the marine pollution, I hope that through my design, people will pay more attention to the importance of the protecting the environment for the human beings and the earth. And the second one is, I think, the second question, what did you enjoy most about your assignment 3 work? I think I enjoyed the most in the design process because I couldn't think of my idea at first, but when I saw the packaging bottle of the mineral water, I suddenly got inspiration to take plastic bottles as one of my design element. I think so because I think the ocean is close related to the fresh water we drink, so we should pay attention to the protecting of the ocean. Secondly, in order to make the design more eye-catching, I add the element of the marine garbage in the plastic bottle because this can better reflect the problems of the marine pollution. So the question 3 we were, if any difficult that you experienced in activity 3, I think the most difficult part is the switching layers. The selection and the placement of the different layers is the most petitions. So for the number 4 question, are you happy with the super graphic you development? I think I'm satisfied with my final design because I think it has reached my design style I want, and both the placement position and the placement angle have reached the effect I want, which is also the reason for my satisfaction. And the last question, if you could redo any part of this assignment, what do you think you would be difficultly? I think if I had to do the assignment again, I would choose to make my page planning a little bit complex, because I think the current page plan seems too simple without any design characteristics. That's all. Thank you.